Hello and welcome to this Tuxbet course. I am Joel Hernandez and I'm a digital artist and 3D designer. I'll be your tutor on this course, where we learn the basic concepts behind modeling in 3D Max Studio. 3D Max is an Autodesk software that allows us to create 3D graphics and animations. This is a very popular software that's often used in TV commercials to make industrial objects in architectures, movies and also video games. With this software, we can achieve a hyper-realistic appearance and very professional results, thanks to the amount of plugins, modifiers and possibilities it offers to us. On this course, we start from scratch with a basic theory and we learn to work our way around the interface of the program and its most basic elements, such as generating lines, shapes or a simple mesh. And to finish, we'll apply all of these concepts to a practical exercise where we'll model a character and then light and render. I hope you enjoy this course and don't forget to leave some feedback in our forum.